Hi guys, welcome back to Eva Family. So today I'm going to show you easiest way to make your beef sauce. So follow me, very easy, economical and yummy. First you put your beef, as you can see, add in your onion, your white onions, add in ginger, add in your garlic, add in your spice, your meat sauce, and stir. Allow the sauce to penetrate the meat so that the meat will be yummy. Now we add our Maggi cube and allow to cook for a while. So we add in water to cook the meat to tender. We allow it for a while, and then our meat is ready. We set it aside, and we add oil to the frying pan. You can add vegetable oil, you can add olive oil. It's not for now. We add in our onion, and allow the onion to fry for a few minutes. We add our red pepper. You can add red and green and yellow pepper. It's optional. Remember, I'm showing you the easiest and the best way. So I go in with my broccoli. If you don't have broccoli, you can also use cauliflower, but you should be careful because cauliflower gets soft very fast. So here I am adding all my spices to the vegetables. I stir it and now allow it to fry for a little while. I add in my sweet corn and my cream cheese. Now we're adding our meat into the fry and stir it. Allow for 1 or 2 seconds, 5 seconds. We add our pepper. Pepper is optional because I like spicy food. I add pepper. Then we add 100 milligrams of water, and we add our cornstarch. Cornstarch is for thickening, to thicken the soup. So allow it to cook together for 2 minutes more, and your food is ready. Your sauce is ready. You can eat it with anything. I like to eat this with white rice. This is yummy. This is delicious. Do this and thank me later. Thank you so much, guys. Enjoy your meal. Bye bye.